Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'm showing you a bunch of ways that I freestyled some head wrap styles. I know I'm not the only one who feels extra royal, extra regal when I'm wearing Long Luxe head wraps. I just feel like whenever I go out and about while I'm wearing my hair in one of these head wraps, I command the room. You know, sometimes I'll get compliments, but sometimes I don't even need it. I can see it all over your face. And if you were wondering, yes, these are back on my shop. They're back in 13 colors. And today you can get a discount if you pre order. Pre order now, and you'll get yours the first week of February. So if you're wondering what's the point of pre ordering, well, that really helps me gauge what colors are in the highest demand so I can manage my inventory accordingly. And of course, you want your discount, right? So pre order. Also, pre ordering reserves your favorite head wraps so you don't have to worry about them being sold out. So if you're down for waiting 2 to 3 weeks for your package, definitely order now. And if you're not down to wait, then let's just hope that your favorite color is in stock when it's time for you to shop. So this is a really classic design, full coverage. This is in the color Camel Crown, and I really love this. This really helps to bring out the golden undertones in my skin. And when it comes to tying head wraps, my tip is to tuck, tie, fold, layer. And when you think about those verbs, when you're making your head wrap designs, it makes it so much easier. And it also gives you some creativity to flow with. So every time you tie your head wrap, it's not the same. When you have those principles, it's really easy for you to come up with different designs or different styles, I should say. So this head wrap is in the color Paprika Flame, and the way the lighting is hitting it, it does look really red. I'm not sure how it's translating on your device, but it looks really red here. But I promise it is a orangey. It is like a spicy orange color. Okay. So this is one of my favorites. I love this one. And I pretty much did the same thing that I did on the first design, except, I mean, the first style, the first head wrap style. However, I made sure to tuck it in a way that you get to see what I'm packing underneath the head wrap, okay? I definitely prefer head wrap styles that do a little peekaboo so you can see that I have locks. Like, this is not a front. I'm not stuffing my head wrap with fabric to get an illusion. Although there's nothing wrong with that. Actually, I completely support it. If you don't have the volume for a really big head wrap like you would prefer, then definitely use some extra fabric. Grab an extra head wrap, maybe in the same color, or if it's going to be a full coverage design, then it doesn't matter the color probably, but definitely go for it. But it's nothing wrong with me wanting to flex. So you can see, yes, I got some real locks under here, and I do love this design. And actually, it's slightly different than the first style. It's slightly different now that I get a closer look, but very similar in essence. It's a major key to remember that the way you style your hair underneath the head wrap is giving you the foundation for the shape that your head wrap ends up at the end. So make sure that that is to your preference first, because it's really hard to fix it afterwards, almost impossible depending, right? So for this style, I'm using the white diamond head wrap, and I am creating an illusion of some bangs. And my hair again is in a high bun, which I like that because it gives me some height, although I don't need it. I'm pretty tall already. I'm about 5'8". At least that's what I like to tell people. But I like the additional height that it gives me, and the faux bangs on the side gives me like a little sweep action. It's really fun to switch it up. And honestly, whenever I make head wrap videos, it never comes out as amazing as it does when I'm just in front of my mirror, because I guess the pressure, I get like performance anxiety whenever I'm making head wraps on camera. But I can't front. These came out okay. Not bad. Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know which style is your favorite and which color too. So far we went over the camel crown, the paprika flame, and here's the white diamond. And this style I really do enjoy for the faux bangs. Although I'm one who, I'm not the biggest fan of hair in my face because of how it tickles my face. But I do like the way it looks. I like the way it looks. It's really cute. And it's very different. It's just very different, you know? I feel like a new woman. You like it? Cute. Next up, we have Olive Elegance. This is in the color Olive Elegance. It's like a military kind of shade of green, olive, you know. And I do personally love earth tones. That's my favorite to wear. And I know a lot of my naturalistas like earth tones a lot as well. I don't know what it is. Why do we all like earth tones? Somebody leave me a comment below and let me know. Why do we all like earth tones? Are we all just like a cliche? Is it like what's going on here? So in this style, this actually was one of my favorite styles of this shoot. I just bent my hair over to flow it all forward so that my hair is at the very top of my head, and I tied it with all of my hair out, as you can see. And this created a really high and full ponytail. I love this. What do you guys think? I really like this, whether it's all to the side or if it's all back or if it's spread out, moving around. It's just really, really beautiful to me. This definitely makes a statement. What is the statement though? Leave me a comment below and tell me what is the statement that this style is giving. What's the statement? So now I have another head wrap in the color Stormy Whisper. It is a gray shade, and I was very determined to make this style different, right? Something I've never done before, something different from the others. So what I ended up doing is gathering some of my locks for a side sweep. You know, I wish I saw more side sweeps with locks. I love a side sweep. You know, I used to kill a side sweep back when I had a relaxer. I think that's probably why I love a side sweep so much right now, because I just love, I guess, the retro, the throwback feel of it. Yeah, I went to high school in the 2000s, all right? I'm showing my age. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So I did the side sweep situation. I'm going to have to fix that later on, but I didn't have any ponytail holders. I was so annoyed that I forgot my ponytail holders. So I had to just make it do what it do. I used my locks and I tied it into a bun. Like I created a tie with my locks for the bun. And I proceeded with my wrapping. You see I'm wrapping and overlapping and tying. And here's when I wanted to try to make it a little different. So I tied and tied and tied and tied to make like a little knot essentially, but it was supposed to look like a little flower or something. So here I am adjusting my sweep. What do you guys think about this one? You know, I'm not too sold. I do like it. It looks nice, but I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's me. Maybe it's you. What do you think? And this was a super simple one, you know. I was definitely running out of ideas, but this is something that I would definitely wear on a regular basis. I pretty much wear my hair like this all the time, actually. I just don't always use a beautiful head wrap. Sometimes I just use a very homely scarf. But best believe you will see me with this style a lot in the near future with these different Long Luxe head wraps, whether I'm wearing it down or whether I'm wearing a little bun. And I just feel like this is more me. That last style, it was pretty whatever for a picture for me, but that's just not me. This is me, nice and simple. What do you think? Let me know down below. Now, this style right here is also me. This is another side of me. So there's the simple me, Keisha, and then this is the elegant, royal goddess Keisha, which is me 75% of the time. 25%, I am Keisha from the block. Okay. So this style is very similar to the first style. So I skipped forward because I want to show you how you can layer infinity head wraps on these long luxe wraps as well. I think that's really cool. It adds another aspect of dimension. And this way it adds more versatility and you can switch your style up. Let me know what you think. And remember, head over to KeishaCharmaine.com and grab yours. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.